Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we're in the kitchen. Okay, and we're going to be making the sweet corn and salmon. What was it? Roasted salmon?
What, baked?
Baked salmon.
Yes.
Okay, baked salmon, sweet corn and baked salmon and potatoes. So if it's kind of thing you're interested in, please keep watching. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. And if you're an oldie, hey. Also, I have Chef Sandra. She doesn't want to appear on the camera, but yeah. So Sandra is here to assist me. She's the brain behind the recipe, but I'll be the one cooking it. So I'll be asking her a few questions from time to time. Yeah. All right. So let's get into it.
It's set up. Just tell me when you want me to focus, right? Yeah, there's no need to speak through this part. There's no need to season it. That's what I want to do.
Can you see? So this size is enough for you.
Yeah.
But I'm going to make it's not going to it's going to
Perfect.
be so sweet. It's not going to be real. Just to make that too quick.
Salt.
Quickly.
Don't do Bobrisky type. So what happened?
I don't like plenty salt. Paprika.
Definitely.
So guys, now I'm done adding the ingredients. I'm just going to put on my gloves and mix. So I'm just going to smear it on the body first, and then be sure to go back under and make sure that the sauce touches every single one of it. Okay? So our salmon is well spiced and pink. Okay, Chef Sandy, what am I doing next?
You arrange it on the pan. Let me give you
So I've already applied foil on my pan, so I'm just going to put it on in the pan.
This should help.
Okay. So I'll pick it up like so. Yep. So I'm spacing it out like this so that when it's time to remove it, I will not have any problems. Alright, then now I'm going to sprinkle chia seeds on it. Chia seeds, yeah? What about this? Oh, this for the potato?
If you want.
No. Guys, this chia seeds on salmon is a game changer. You have to try it. Make sure it's well covered. Be very generous with the amounts, okay? So I'll be making this one with the chia seeds, and then I'll make another tray without the chia seeds. For those on the weight loss journey, chia seeds, like Sandra told me, is fattening. So we'll make one without the chia seeds, and which is the one she's going to be eating. As for us, we are eating this one. Okay. So our next tray is up. Meanwhile, this chunk is for Sandra. She's cheating everybody here. Alright, so this is empty. And I'm just going to add chia seeds on this last two here and leave this one for Sandra. So we're done now, and I've already preheated the oven to 450, so I'm just going to pop it in the oven, and that's it. We'll put it in for 15 minutes and it should be done by then. Okay? Alright, so whew. Okay. Alright, so this is what it's looking like in the oven right now. So 15 minutes. I'll set the timer to 15 minutes. Okay.
I'm not for chapter 5. Oh.
15 minutes and we start. Alright, so I'm just going to put on the lights in the oven so we can always check on it. Alright, so we're done with that part, and now I'm going to start with the Irish potato. I've already sliced it, and I've sliced it in small circles, so I'll just pop it into this bowl. Then I'll add my salt. It's not like Bobrisky. Olive oil. This is not funny. Onion. Paprika. And then I have this mixed herbs that is cool running. It has garlic, pepper, herbs, and yeah, that's all it has. It's a combination of 3 spices. It's really, really good. So if you can get it, I advise you add it. Alright, so I'm going to wear my gloves again and mix. You should also mix it properly so that the spice is spread everywhere. Okay, so guys, you can see that the spice is well spread on every single slice of the potato. You want to make sure that it's spread generously so that they all taste the same. All right, so I'll set this aside and then I'll wash my corn, and then it will be time for us to put it in the instant pot. Whoops. So now I'm going to measure 1 cup of water and pop into my instant pot. I already have 2 instant pots, so one will cook the potato and the other one will cook the sweet corn. Okay? And then I'm going to put this in here and in here. Yep. So the corn goes in here. And then I pour my potato in here. Be careful. All right. Okay, so if you're using instant pot, I don't know about other pots, but if you're using this particular brand, you have to make sure that the steamer is facing you directly. Okay, so you can see we'll do the same here. All right, so now we're done. We're going to set it to manual. Yeah, and then we set it to, for the corn we'll set it to 3 minutes, and the potato we'll set it to 4 minutes, so we make sure it's soft. All right, so that's it. All right, and then here also press manual, and we bring this down to 4 minutes, so it's going to start on its own. All right, so guys, now we are done, and we're just going to wait for a maximum of 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on what we make. Okay, bye. Okay guys, the corn is ready and our potato is almost ready as well, so I'm just going to release the steam from the pot. Okay guys, so the salmon is done, and I brought it out from the oven, and I just covered it in the foil just to retain the steam and all that. Alright, so we'll just wait for our potato and our corn to be ready, and then I'll do the big reveal. Okay? Okay guys, so now the steam is let out. If you see this letter L, it means that the Instant Pot is keeping your food warm. So our corn is still warm in here, and while I'm waiting for my potato to get ready. So it's time for the big review. Woo! Oh my god. I can't wait. Our corn is ready. I'll switch it off now. It's all done. Let's see how our potato turned out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys need to perceive what I'm perceiving here. Just breathe in deeply. I'm sure you can perceive it through your screen. This looks so good. I can't wait to taste it. Let's set the plate, okay? So I'll turn this off now. Alright. Also, time for big reveal for our salmon. Oh my god, guys, look at the chia, look at the oil that came out. I can't wait to dig into this. Wow. Let's see this one. Okay, this looks so good. Oh my god, Sandy, I can't wait to taste it. Alright, so I'm just going to serve a plate. I'll serve Sandy's own.
Yes, mine.
So I'll be serving Sandy's own, but Sandy measures her food. So, Abby, she weighs it. So what are we doing?
Trying to see. Okay, put the plate. Then press that on again.
0.
Yeah. So, is it on 0? What does it weigh?
208.
Okay, good enough. You have to press the 0 again.
Right. Okay. 61.
Okay, I need 150.
So one more potato.
Try, let's see. Yeah, let's see the potato. No, the potato again.
Oh my.
111.
Perfect. Yeah.
326.
Lift it again. Put it on 0.
Okay.
Okay.
216. Jesus!
It's okay.
Should I cut it?
No. I think I have enough
Okay.
space today. 216, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
So in total, how many calories is it?
Let me see.
Thank you.
That's 589.
Okay, so 589.
Yeah, it's
So
perfect.
that's fair enough, Abby?
Yeah.
Alright. So guys, this is Sandra's food, and I will serve my own. I'm not weighing nada. Okay, so mine is served. Let me even wait and see. I don't care. Plus the plate, everything. It's 1,275. And okay, so guys, let me just let you in on a little secret, okay? If you know you really want to get the best out of this, add the yaji. But first of all, I'm going to try it without the yaji. Alright, so I'm just going to try my salmon now. Perfect. Secret, don't cook your salmon more than 15 minutes, because initially I thought 15 minutes was too small, but now I understand why. So don't cook your salmon more than 15 minutes. I'll try the potato now.
Eat it.
I don't live alone. I have people in this house, so potato is nice. And of course, corn is corn. Sweet corn is sweet corn, so it's nice. But anyway, I also like to add yaji. This makes a whole lot of difference. Guys, add yaji to your salmon, to your sweet corn, to your potato. It makes the best. In fact, I don't even know what to say. It's fantastic. Taste is fantastic, okay? If you don't know what yaji is basically soya spice, okay? So you just add it, sprinkle it on top and enjoy. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and I will respond. And yeah, subscribe, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Be good to yourself, love yourself, and love others. Bye. Stay safe guys. Stay safe.
Bye.